Tehillim 27, by David. Yahuwah is my light and my Yeshua. Whom shall I fear? Yahuwah is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When evildoers came at me to eat up my flesh, even my adversaries and my foes, they stumbled and fell. Though an army should encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war should rise against me, even then I will be confident. One thing I have asked of Yahuwah, that I will seek after, that I may dwell in the house of Yahuwah all the days of my life, to see Yahuwah's beauty, and to inquire in his temple. For in the day of trouble he will keep me secretly in his pavilion. In the covert of his Mishkan he will hide me. He will lift me up on a rock. Now my head will be lifted up above my enemies around me. I will offer sacrifices of joy in his tent. I will sing, yes, I will sing praises to Yahuwah. Hear, Yahuwah, when I cry with my voice. Have mercy also on me, and answer me. When you said, "Seek my face," my heart said to you, "I will seek your face, Yahuwah." Don't hide your face from me. Don't put your servant away in anger. You have been my help. Don't abandon me, neither forsake me, Elohim of my Yeshua. When my father and my mother forsake me, then Yahuwah will take me up. Teach me your way, Yahuwah. Lead me in a straight path because of my enemies. Don't deliver me over to the desire of my adversaries, for false witnesses have risen up against me, such as breathe out cruelty. I am still confident of this. I will see the goodness of Yahuwah in the land of the living. Wait for Yahuwah. Be strong, and let your heart take courage. Yes, wait for Yahuwah.